Assalamualaikum. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Today I will show how to make these 5 fittings in Solidworks software. So at first I am going here and select the new plane, new file. Okay, then I am going to select the MMGS. Then taking the front plane and select the central line. Draw a central line. It will be 50 millimeter. Okay. Then going to select the line. It will be almost 10 millimeters. Here it will go 50 millimeters and close it. Okay, exit it and go to the feature, select the revolve command, click here, closed it. Okay, then right plane is selected, go to the reference geometry and it will be 15 millimeter. Okay, then control it for normal plane, then go to here and select the central line again and it will be 50 millimeter. Okay, 50 millimeter. Then I am going to select the line command and it will be how much? It will be 8 millimeter, 50 and close it. Okay, exit it and go to the feature, select the revolve command, click here, closed it. Okay, done. Then go to the extrude cast, click here and go to the circle. It will be 18 millimeter. Exit the drawing and through all is selected. Okay, done. Then again extrude card is selected, go to here and control 8 is taken, then go to here and it will be 14 millimeter. Exit it and it will be 55 millimeter. Okay, done. Then go to select the fillet and it will be 3 millimeter and click here. Okay, done. Then go to here, select the metal, plastic is selected, high gloss plastic, white. Okay, then go to select the color. Okay, done. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.